And the other solve Leetcode number 1143, longest common subsequence. Question we must solve that, but me solve in a recursive approach. Because me solve also, dynamic recursive approach, but make us me solve using matrix form. Yeah, sure. Question basically I say we in two strings, right? Sure. At the longest common subsequence, right? Into your my test back was A B C D E and ACE. If you want results say ACE, right? ACE and ACE was in our AC and a common. But in the previous video, no someone share checking it out, but basically the American is a amount A B C D E and the amount ACE, right? When you never classify it longest common subsequence, when you back one match here, right? You man is here you say we anyway match it, right? Into no be my one. Na yenya sounds wa na you move we have say back on you move so about see be ni C, but B ni C match it, right? Into you be okay. You move has say no kwani back one as you move has say kwani back one never has say no be compare we never we so be compare we, right? It's which man say okay we the engine here na never we compare we, right? Na for the means you move we about say na say and I say you be move we so about say you can see anyway so compare, but you must say we anyway a compare na ya one into near it, right? Plus one. Now we so anyway be compare but and match it, right? Now if you are sanctuary, you be repeating the same process. No move we go back one way we do age nature no compare eventually no we so anyway be match it, right? Now be one. Now we are three, right? Into open more explanation on this one. Check it the first video not out, but you check it this second one way out. You find say my way, right? Example your modi my right. My A B C D E, right? Here for you see. Right. Now I say my ACE. Hey, me to draw for ACE. Boom. Hey. ACE you say boom. Boom. And a boom. Right. In the find say a tree now you move me moving cause right. You results near. I see how now is 0. Right. I mean blue. Anyway, 0 0 0 0 0 0 0, right? We move now is 0. In change now is 0. You increasing kakra. Ebe boa my solution na. But you compare, right? You compare you say we anyway match I bet you one. But one year we compare previous combination value never has saying we say match here we say 1 plus the other has saying now year 1, right? Now say we D and E and match the be finding we the maximum of we and a way, right? The maximum of we a 1, right? C ni is when matching the maximum of we anyway a 1. B ni is when matching maximum of we anyway a 1. A ni is when matching maximum of a 1, right? After the about near after the about say C and a E. C ni E no, right? E and a C and matching is still the finding maximum of anyway a 1. D and a C is when matching the maximum of anyway a 1. C na C a match into a way plus 1. And your match a pair plus 1 to then be 2, right? After the way anyway match into maximum of way anyway be 2. Any see match into maximum of way and away be 2. Okay. After the about any A and match into maximum of way anyway a 1. D and A and match maximum of way anyway be 1. And match into maximum of way and away 2. B and A and match into maximum of 2 and 2. Right, team yeah hasi and a hasi. Yeah, 2. But when we match into a plus way, it's a 3. If we are near it anyway, right? Into answer no a way. But we need to keep a lot of memory, right? We need to keep, but you start to ask a bit more because I maybe a previous results in a 0 not yeah, but we are current. The we are able to make the previous no about hasi. Not current number, not previous number, and only be reduce to your friends and memory combination, right? But basically, we representation we am a another a combine combination we are a sub person we are say no other solution I bet you say right. But side way we into way be faster and be taking more time complexity is still be n by n, all right, but memory be the minimum of the shortest string, right? Memory consumption be O of minimum of m comma n, shortest way no warranty memory no be take the smallest memory size, right? In this approach way any other be solve sa question way into yen question the way we to solve no, right? Into first crown you perceive you share the show length na the ATT right? The shortest length no and then you be what I say into if length of text 2, right, less than the length of text 1, you best swap a text, right, into text 2 comma text 1 is equal to text 1 comma text 2, right? Now if you by if I say m the length of the longest text and text 1, right? Now n I the length of the shortest text 2. Okay, in the form we dynamic programming make earlier, right? Previous and a current build up no. Into previous be equal to array times the shortest and never my memory na I way no, right? You see I shortest near n, right? Into n plus 1, right? Because you have text 2 now a text 1 about the shortest, right? Because now text 2 is shortest, but my text 1 about shortest into m plus 1. Plus 1 because array near building a be 0 0 0 0, right? I hanuna 0 and I hanuna 0 into and you increasing it by 1 because you increase the array. No array now technically a row plus 1 and a column plus 1 because saying change 0 because a range never by so no see range near BC has a in the become one say the BC hanum say, right? It's young corner young question the way by into and current no so be equal to 0 times m plus 1. Okay, into here by 4 I in range actually or share results here I start if yes but must start here free anyone who say no we could we are bass yes but Nina am out the same results, right? Nina am out the same result but start here yes near work here way up to the top into no yes starters I mean say yes start here feature so we reversed range right? Kesiye no first. Now here for j in reversed range m, right? If text2 and I said text1, right? If text1, if I check, let me see text1. If text1 dot j, if text1 dot I equal to text2 dot j, right? Current text j equal to 1 plus way plus 1, right? The previous no plus 1 plus previous j plus 1, right? And yes, else we share the maximum. Current j equal to the maximum of previous j and current j minus 1, right? So current j plus 1, right? And previous j, right? You compare previous j no and current na no plus. I mean, so some way na man who say way current. Just but a bit movie accord. Right? In your way we have a near the way about so here's something I say you take into previous j, right? Into see a rule in we are swap it, right? Current no beko about way now previous now way a certain was into previous comma current the best swap on the current previous until near building new current, right? Here we are near returning current previous 0, right? Because we in our base value now everything, right? Previous 0. This is how our index out of range. I and a j. Okay. Text2 AI, right? Text2 and AI, right? M text2 and I about j no small one about m was in a j no anything compare no was in, right? Into C and you solve it for longest common substring. And just shoot 2 solutions, and then look at it by way time complexity, I the same O of m by n, but space complexity, because here you use less, we were saying it about the minimum length, right? It I think in this case m, right? So that is how you solve for problem way. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Rebecca Setri.